Hey, welcome to day 2 of me building this app in public. Since yesterday, I was able to put more of the AI logic in so that we're now getting a more comprehensive view of the full web page, as well as editing how the screenshots are being captured so that we got every bit of the screen. I'll be able to show you both the process as well as a generated output, even though it won't look very pretty yet. If we come in here and we just put in a website, you can start an audit and it will start to run in the background. We still get Puppeteer popping up and we'll start to capture things. At first, we're just going to capture the HTML, which we're going to use for both the SEO analysis as well as the marketing analysis. You can see that we're now scrolling down. This is a update to how it worked yesterday. Yesterday, it was just capturing a full screenshot, but the problem was that it was because this site in particular has things that scroll in and scroll out, animate in, edit, animate out as you're scrolling through the page, we weren't able to get a full look at the web page. So what we're doing now is we're scrolling through the page, taking screenshots 1/3 by 1/3, just taking the center third of the screen, adding that to a buffer, and then stitching all those images together. So what we will get as an outcome then is a look at every bit of the screen in one photo, but it will be exactly as that web page will look as you are at that part of the page. We can see that's also working for mobile as it begins to scroll through the mobile version of the site as well. And just like that, our audit is done. If I come over here to cursor, we'll see a new audit was generated. I can grab that, and I need to put this in this markdown viewer. In the future, this will generate a beautiful PDF as well as a more interactive way to view all this information. But for now, this is what we have. So we see it's a full audit results. We see that the screenshots were captured. We then get a very verbose version of our SEO analysis, looking at target audience, keywords, long tail keywords, outcome oriented keywords. I looked at our meta tags, then talking about areas for improvement, intentional SEO. And if I come down a bit, we then get a UI audit analysis. This is looking at the design elements and how it will look from the perspective of a person viewing your site for the first time. We then get a little bit about the purpose and the presumed audience, which I'm using for context for everything else here in the tool. And then a marketing copy analysis. And then finally down here, a comprehensive audit summary, where we're actually going through everything. We're summarizing everything and trying to make it crystal clear what's working, what isn't working, what can be improved on. So we see that we need to enhance the hero section and integrate a video demo. We need to implement better meta social proof. We need better visual storytelling. You can see it tries to impact out some of this stuff, the business impact, and then finally gives you a list of improvements and their ranked priority, top 3, what can be improved in 24 hours, et cetera, et cetera. So I think the major things to come next, I obviously need the output to actually look good. I want to improve the overall quality of the analysis. There are still things that it's just missing as far as the page goes, pieces where the information that's being sent back is inaccurate. And so I'm going to try to give the AI analysis a little bit better context so that you can understand exactly what it's looking at. And I also need to optimize the way that it's processing everything, hopefully make it run a little bit faster, and then ultimately make this page look good. Run an audit on my landing page itself.